our big dad and big mom and our friend. Good afternoon, everyone. Now I want to tell water. Water is one of the most important things in life. People, animals and plants need water to live. We use water for drinking, cooking and cleaning every day. Rivers, lakes and oceans are full of water, but not all of it is safe to drink. Clean water is necessary to stay healthy and avoid disease. Others, thank you. Give for big hand for Asiki sister.
Now I'm going to call from brother side Mr. Sandeep brother group come on the stage for sing song.
Yes,
Your big hand.
I did. Oh.